So these are the Mpow Sport Wireless Flame V2 earphones. These are the version 2 that I upgraded quite a bit. So there, I'm going to unbox this for you guys. So taking a closer look at the box, on the front you guys can see the Mpow branding. It says Dream, Explore, Inspire. Then coming down here we have Sport Wireless earphones, and then we have Mpow Audio Wireless and a few key features and the model number. This is a little presentation of what the wireless earphones will look like. And on the top of the box, you guys can see Sports Wireless earphones again with Mpow Audio Wireless. And the sides are just black and with like a product code here. At the back of the box, you guys can see the specifications for it. It has wireless standard V5, operating range of 33 feet, music or talk time for around 15 hours, charging time of 2 hours, standby time of 300 hours, charging with 5 volts, a 150 milliamp battery, and a headset jack. Then moving to the bottom, these are some of the key specifications. It has IPX7 that's waterproof to sweat, wireless connection, there's a built-in mic, there's a silicone ear hook, optional sizes for the ear tips, and a carrying case in the box. So without further ado, let's go in the box. Okay. Now I'm gonna slide it out. This is the cover outside. Now let's take a closer look at these. There's a red Mpow logo in the front. There's like a few more tabs. Let's see. So it opens up from the bottom. Let's give it like this. And there we have it. These are the carrying case, and I think the earbuds are inside. Then we have an important reminder. You guys can pause the video if you guys want to read it. We have a manual right here, customer service, and the actual user manual's guide. Okay, let's put everything to the side and check it out. This is the carrying case. It is like quite a hard case that is good for protecting the earbuds. Opening it up. These are the earbuds right here. Let's check it out first. So taking a closer look at the Mpow earphones themselves, as you guys can see, they look pretty good. And there are things that says, then there are labels on the left and right earbuds. So as you see, it says L here for left, R here for the right. Even the tips have labels themselves. Taking a look around the right side, we have the volume controls on the top, and the Mpow logo itself is a button. But on the left side, I don't think there's anything because it's not pressable or clickable. So it's just an earphone on the left side. And as you guys can see, these are the rubber tips that go over your ear, and these go into your ear. Now it's just a straight cable with nothing on it. I pretty like this kind because it doesn't jump around a lot. And other things that come in the box, we have additional ear tips and earbuds. We have a charging cable. It's unfortunately USB type B, and more ear tips for your ears. So these are everything that comes in the box. We have earphones, the ear tips, the carrying case, the manual, and the warranty, and then a reminder. So if you guys like this video, please leave a like. If you dislike it, you can dislike the video. Subscribe if you haven't. I have more videos and unboxings coming soon. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye guys.